Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. In this video, I'm gonna share with you in this place. Okay, so this is my behind side this master field, and this master field actually my own master field. And dear friends, after many days later I have come here for video making purpose, and today I'm standing here for in front of you for making video. Okay, so dear friends, my English not good because I'm a beginner learner, and actually if you believe that on language, when you start for learning, at that time so many mistakes, and actually also my mistake, and so many mistake I make so many mistake for learning English video. When I make English content video, and I make so many mistake. Okay, so this is, I think it doesn't matter, and actually mistakes are happen to everybody, and don't worry about making mistake. Okay, so dear lovely viewers, this is the winter season and winter crops, like you can see potato and mustard and like air arm. Another side actually air arm field. And dear friends, actually winter season actually going on, so that is why all day actually foggy, and not summer season. Winter season actually foggy, and winter morning actually very foggy in our local area. Okay, so dear lovely friends, today actually I'm not happy because my health conditions are very not good quality, so that is why today I am very actually unhappy feel. Okay, so now I'm going to my home, and after 20 minutes ago I have come here, and now I'm going to my house because I made on video, and now I'm going to my home. Dear lovely friends, my English not good quality, because also you can support me, and you subscribe my YouTube channel and pray for me, and thank you. Bye bye.